Hey everyone, welcome back to Global MegaBuilds, bringing you another full construction update from the iconic Spotify Camp Nou. Today, we're taking a complete walk around the stadium to explore all the latest progress and see how every section is transforming step by step. From the north goal to the Tribuna, there's exciting work happening across all corners. So let's dive right in and check out what's new at the future home of FC Barcelona. We begin our tour at the north goal, where construction remains fast and well-coordinated. New metallic beams and concrete reinforcements are being placed across the upper levels, and the third cantilever is now almost complete. Behind the blue mesh, open gaps have been covered with new panels, giving this area a much more defined look. Trucks continue to arrive with rebar and prefabricated parts as the structure takes its final shape day by day. As we move around the corner, coordination between teams stands out clearly. Fresh concrete has just been poured on one side, while workers on the other are installing metal frameworks. Every few meters shows a different stage, from rebar installation to wall finishing. This curved link between the north goal and the lateral stand is becoming stronger and more defined, showing the geometry of the modernized Camp Nou. Now, at the diamond area, visual progress is impressive. Crews are installing vertical supports that will connect the facade with the inner circulation levels. Along the edges, new formwork panels are shaping the curved wall, while teams complete stairs and access landings. The alignment looks precise, and the zone feels cleaner and more structured, one of the most elegant sections of the entire stadium. Moving along to the lateral side, scaffolding has been removed from most parts, revealing solid concrete beams and pillars in perfect alignment. Workers are preparing upper slabs for another pour, while reinforcements between internal walls continue. Compared to previous weeks, this section looks far more advanced and organized, with clear progress across every level. Behind the lateral stand, the underground parking area is progressing steadily. Workers are sealing slab joints and finishing the retaining walls, with only a few sections remaining. Reinforcement beams will soon be installed to strengthen this vital structure beneath the diamond and lateral sectors. It's quiet work, but essential for the stadium's future logistics and service access. Higher up, the third tier shows some of the most dramatic progress. At the north goal, the final concrete for the upper cantilevers is nearly done, while formwork and reinforcements are being set across the lateral and tribuna sides. The upper seating ring is now visible, showing the scale and height of the new Camp Nou. Vertical columns between tiers are also being reinforced, giving this massive structure its full stability. Finally, at the Tribuna, activity remains high. New hollow core slabs are being placed for the third cantilever, while crews pour and level fresh concrete across the upper deck. Most of the formwork is complete, giving the Tribuna a strong and defined shape. Engineers closely monitor operations to keep everything on schedule. This side is quickly becoming one of the project's core structural anchors. And that wraps up our full construction tour around the Spotify Camp Nou. We've seen the north goal nearing completion, the corner and diamond sections taking shape, strong progress at the lateral and tribuna, and steady work at the south goal and parking area. The future Camp Nou grows stronger and more defined with every passing week, a true modern icon in the making. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Global MegaBuilds, and stay tuned for the next one as this incredible transformation continues.